Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. This is a quick update regarding a new assignment portal that we're officially rolling out for all students. Once you log in, you'll see an option called Forgot Password. Please use the same email ID that was shared with you via WhatsApp. When you click on Submit, you will receive an email. That email will contain a reset link. Using this link, you can securely reset your password and then log into the portal. After logging in, you can explore the portal dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view the number of open assignments, the number of assignments completed, your average score, and the total study time. You can also clearly see the assignments that are currently available, and the assignments you have recently completed. In addition to this, the dashboard shows your weekly goals set for the academic year. Once you click on the Start button, a general instructions page will be displayed. Please read and understand the instructions carefully. After that, check the confirmation box and click on. Once you click on the Start button, the questions will be displayed on the screen. You will also see a fixed timer for the assignment, which shows the total time and the time you've spent on each question. After answering a question, click on Next to move to the following question. Once you have completed all the questions, click on Submit Assignment to finalize your submission. Ensure that your submission is successful before exiting the portal. Once you submit the assignment, you will be able to view a detailed performance summary. This includes the number of correct, incorrect, and unattempted questions, your accuracy percentage, and the total marks scored. You can also view question-wise analysis, the total time spent on the assignment, difficulty level analysis, and a complete score breakdown. After reviewing all the questions and analysis, you can click on Back to Dashboard to return to the main screen. Once you click on My Performance Report, you can view your performance in detail. The report breaks down your scores chapter-wise, topic-wise, and concept-wise, helping you clearly understand your current learning level. This allows you to identify your strengths and the areas where you need improvement. Additionally, the assignment portal supports both light mode and dark mode. You can switch between these modes based on your comfort and preference while attempting assignments. Please take time to explore these reports along with the assignments available in the portal. Regularly reviewing your performance will help you track progress and improve consistently.